Cast more towards the bank.
Now when I sit this, y'all want to sit it with the pole or both?
Kind of both. Like you want to have more. You want to have more of that line in your hand.
Like this.
Yeah, and you want to keep the rod tip down towards the water, like almost in the water.
Okay.
You see all that slack that you just gave yourself?
Yeah.
You have all that slack sitting there when you go to set a fish. So if you don't have that slack sitting there, it helps your ability to, oh, that little tiny, Dad, look, little baby guy. I got you, bud. Dad, look, barely the size of my hand. 5 inches. Whoop. Bye, buddy. See you in a few years. So when you go to cast, it's not so much a spin cast, like you keep doing this and letting it go. What you want to do is as you're casting, okay, put that rod tip straight towards the water.
Okay.
When we were out here last time with Al and Cal, Al seriously thought that all you had to do was troll and you could catch a trout, and I was like, no, there's a little more to it than that. These trout are just insane out here. I don't know, 2? More than 2? Not to sound like a real pompous ass here, but I don't really count anymore.
Yeah. No, I was just amazed that we're getting this many hits. That's what I'm getting at.
Yeah.
Trying to keep track of who's catching the most. It's like, I'm impressed with how many fish we've already caught.
Well, the first time I was out here, I caught, I want to say 22 fish that day.
Wow.
And Cal caught about the same. Oh, shit. Cal caught about the same. There it is. And Al even caught 3 on a spinner. Woohoo! They may not be big, but they sure is fun. Huh, Dad? Well, I don't know if they were all this size if we would have enough for dinner, but another little dude. Whoop! Oops, sorry, bud. Come here, come here, come here. Get in the water. There you go. There you go. Get gone. And keep working your way around the lake. Seriously. Huh? Well, if you want to. You want to do something fun? Oh, Dad, you got a fish. You got a fish. No, keep trying. Keep taunt. No? Yeah, I thought you did. So like I said, this is kind of what I do to work my way around the lake here. Is I'll just keep doing this. Dad, you got a fish.
You must be little. I keep trying to reel it in and it keeps going deeper, so I got a fish.
Keep the line tight. That's a fish on there. Can you see him yet? Look down to your line. You see him yet? No flash or anything?
Make sure I don't get my line too far up again.
You still got a few feet.
Come right to me.
Right on. You haven't even had to use your net yet.
He's an old baby one.
Yeah.
Got a big mouth on him, though. He's about a 4-incher.
Right on.
He was so little I didn't know I had a fish on line.
It's all right. They're all fun, aren't they? Keep working your way towards me. Another one? Dad's on a hot streak. Dad's on a hot streak. That's all right. That's why I said if you keep working towards me, we might be able to get into some bigger ones out here. Yeah. They're all rainbows.
Swimming around.
Oh, right as I was taking it fly. Oh, damn it. That's the second time I missed this guy.
Shit, I don't even want to cast. I'm fucking tired.
Man, this is everything I was hoping for. Another one? Please note that Dad has caught 3 or 4 fish and I have not yet caught one in that time span. And with casts like that, I definitely won't be. That's what I got on.
size. He's an 8-incher.
Nice.
Not very fat.
Yeah, the mountain lake trout don't get too fat because it's hard for them to get kind of a normal feeding schedule. So they don't really have a lot of time to feed between ice out and winter. So that's why when it's on, like on a day like today, it is on.
I had to let that fish hit that 3 times before I finally set him.
Oh, buddy. So if you're a trick, Dad, if you're fishing near the bank, look, dear God, another fish for Dad. Whoa, fighter. Another beauty. 9-incher. 9-incher.